fascinating. Rebound $76. Otherwise, probably gonna get washed. I'll just do my thing, I guess. It's gonna trade flat. For those of you who entered this yesterday, because I was talking about how cheap this is, if this is your risk tolerance level or this is your stop loss, because if you enter around 6, I think yesterday was 6.338, and then if you enter 6.38, it's about 5% decrease now. Probably more than that. It's about like 6 or 7% decrease, depending on what's your entry level. So then that means today when it pull up a little bit, some of you have stop losses. You should just dump it at this point. But I'm gonna hold it for a little bit longer, because I think with the oil and gas industry booming all the way until late August, this will see an upside. But I don't know. Some of you guys have very low risk tolerance level. I mean, every day trader needs a stop loss, right? So every day trader needs a stop loss. Set your stop loss level. What percentage that is? If it's already lower than the stop loss level, just exit. Do not think back. Do not think bad about it. Okay. Do not think back about it. AEI is also trading flat. For those of you who are impatient, you probably made around 1.1% or 100 basis point. If you're not, patient, or if you just want liquidity, just dump it at this point. Oh, look at Meta. Oh no. It is what it is, boys. Hey, what's up, David? New to a video, and I thank you. Oh, no problem, no problem. Keep watching. There's some juicy parts later on. I'm probably only gonna do a half-hour stream until the end of power hour this morning, and I was listening to some not really earning call, some pharmaceutical research in the morning, so I didn't get up. I did get up. I didn't hop on stream earlier. 4 popped up. Like I said yesterday, 4's gonna pop up. But what it really wants to do is you have to be like over 1491 literally to get to the $15 strike, and you will see sort of like a momentum play all the way up towards the new height. But yeah, this one I got it right yesterday. This one I got it right yesterday. They all pull up. So yesterday's play also have AEI in it. But right now it's at yesterday's bottom-ish. And we did calculation on how much dilution the stock offering actually offers. And I said it will have a 9% upside, but right now everybody's very impatient right now. Yep. And also, again, if you just tune in, because I don't know about the situation with the stream. I don't really know the situation with the stream right now. I don't know how many of you are actually watching because sometimes there's a delay. For those of you who entered this one, probably set your stop losses because we don't have a lot of volume at the bottom. And for those of you who entered with me yesterday, you probably already lost 5%-ish on this one. This is a very speculative play because they cut their dividend by 98%. So what's going to happen is the stock's going to go back and trade it down at its non-dividend level. But the fact that they're still making money and the fact that they are making money make it kind of attractive for me. So for me, I added a little bit this morning. So let's see how this works. I mean, again, there are a lot of other plays you can make right now. For example, around 2 days ago, I got a little bit of natural gas and I liquidated. It's only like about 10 shares of it. I liquidated this morning. So it's also a good play here. There are other plays you can do. Like there's literally a lot of plays you can do right now. Investor plays Twitter just said MMT will drop to 0.56. Well, yeah. There you go. What's going to happen if it drops to 0.56? Well, drop to 0.56. If it drops to 0.56, there's going to be another reverse split. So, yeah. Just saying. So, there's no such thing as it drops to 0.56 because when it drops to $1, it's going to, the NASDAQ and the SEC is going to file them, give them a filing and tell them that they're lowering than actually the lowest amount of offering price. I don't remember. There's something they're gonna send to George and be like, you guys cannot be listed until you stabilize this above $1 for over 30 days. So what George is gonna do is, if this ever happens, George is gonna do another reverse split, and yeah. But when George does another reverse split, this entire stock's basically done. So yeah, you don't want to see that. If you see that, then this is actually gonna be a 6-year long-term investment, I guess. But yeah, hopefully that doesn't happen. If that happens, who knows? Because George is spending more money in AR and VR in a post-pandemic situation, that might not be a really good near future investment per se. I'm more interested at the Hood IPO though. Feels like Sequoia wanted to go up a little bit, but seems like a lot of people gonna come in day one and day two start shorting this thing. It's trading flat right now. Not really trading flat. It's not openly traded yet. A lot of people are saying PDD might have an upside. Not really sure yet. The graphs aren't looking that great. I'm just gonna do my thing right now. If you have any questions, just ask a question. There are only like 5 or 6 of you who are watching. It feels like next time when I do stream, I probably should predate it or do it so then so that more people will watch, I guess. What is going on? Probably like every day I plan to stream now. So what is going on? 8 a.m. It's already passed now. Yeah, it's probably already passed. Let's see what happens. Legal disclaimer, background, discover preliminary trial, summary and future, top line data, as well tolerated by participant. The decontrol associated with target expression data are consistent with proposed mechanisms of action. Okay. So what is the deal with the stock price decreased? Larger tumor can be eradicated in this model by dosing. Okay, this is pretty good, but what is wrong with this? Come on, I actually believe in eradicated cancer, dude. Give me a chance. Determine MTD. Okay, let's see. Let's actually listen to the broadcast right now. I think someone gotta go shout out in Discord and on Twitter. Someone go tweet something. I'm pretty sure most people aren't aware that I'm actually streaming this morning, but it's gonna be a very short swim for 15 minutes, and let's see how it goes. If any questions, just ask a question in chat, and I'll try to answer them as fast as possible. I'm just trying to figure out what went wrong with this company, because this one actually trying to eradicate cancer, and even though it's still phase 1 data, but I think it's pretty promising. I don't understand what is going on, and this one had pretty good investors too. I was looking for an external 5G antenna for my Pixel 5 yesterday. A screen protector antenna could be low-hanging fruit for MMAT. No, don't say low-hanging fruit. George loves that thing. When he said low-hanging fruit, that's where a lot of people actually exited that stream the other day. Such an old expression that people don't use anymore. It's more like young people don't like that. It almost feels like it's the fruit is like rotten in a way. The connotation of that isn't that great. But hey, that could be a good opportunity, I guess, for their B2B and B2C. I also did some research on their AR glasses. I have some questions regarding the business model, but that will be a video for another day, maybe for tonight or something. Let's see. Like sometimes I realize even though the stock is cheap, it has days to react. And what happened to Charles today? Where's Charles? Charles isn't in the. He entered this with me yesterday. He need to set his stop loss level. Cause right now we're literally picking up like dirt cheap stock, but sometimes it will have a pull down cycle. And this one I haven't done with a pull down cycle, because in terms of fundamental analysis, it's still danger. It's still danger zone. That's why I told That's why, I mean, again, I'm not financial advisor, therefore I do not give financial advices. Let's see if I put it on stream right now. I think I did. Okay, that's good. Because if I bought anything, I probably bought like 100 shares. For some of you, maybe $50 or $60. And if you do that, then sometimes it could be a great idea to average down. This one have like a 4 or 5% upside. If you add today's loss, probably like 11% upside. But right now it's still too early. I think what we want to do is we want to avoid getting into this too early at this point. But it does have an upside to $7. So yeah. This is just ridiculous. This have a 9% upside. People are still selling. This percentage dilution is just ridiculous right now. I read that Pixel 5 have 3 antenna module made by Qualcomm. Each module is like $40. Yeah, but hey, what's up, Rohit? Hey, what's up? How are you doing? It's just gonna be a casual stream this morning, 15 minutes or 16 minutes ish. Whoa, buddy. AEI, buddy. The dumping scheme started. For AEI, you cannot even trade. You can't trade option, which means a lot of things are leveraged in a very weird way. I mean, Lucid also went down yesterday, which is pretty interesting at this point. Are they still selling? Yeah, according to MACD, is just way too like off right now. They're still selling. Oh my god. What do you think this company really worth? Come on, give him a break. The CEO just made an offering because $5 is like the highest they've seen in. Not really though. Wait, let's see. No, $5 is not the highest they see. It seems like they lack cash, huh? They either want to expand or there's something that we don't know. Fantastic. There has to be something that we don't know. But if there's something we don't know, let's find out. Guys, I'm just super curious about a Hood IPO right now. So, yeah. I mean, this is about to go down, as it should, but interesting. Risky right now. But if it can pull up to 120, you never know. But a lot of people dumped this one this morning, so. There aren't any like super cheap dirt stuff going on this morning. I think BCI is one now, but I need to listen to the. Whoa, what is going on, boy? What is going on here, boy? What is going on here, boy? Here's another gambling moment right here. 1288 buying point. This is another gambling point right here. LAC is having a run, I think. Yeah. As predicted. But you might see a pullback though. But the entire lithium industry is having a run right now. Cause there's no cause. This is just what it is at this point. I mean, again, this is my long-term holding, so not really touching it right now. I hate Zoom meetings for work. I have to have you on mute. Boo. Ha! What's up, Charles? I'm good. Nice. Drew Grant, Investor Place did an article yesterday on MMAT under the stock to buy section. Today they followed it up with an article on stock to sell this morning. What a joke! What a joke. For MMAT, yes, 3.5 is where it want to stabilize. Wait, can someone tell me what is the investor place like a bullish one, or they just don't provide enough DD? Like, what's going on? Yeah, everybody have a grudge against Hood. GLTU? GLTU for right now it's kind of danger zone, but if you wanna like, you know, play risky a little bit and it could be a play. If you want to play risky, there could be a play. GOTU could be a play. It's risky, but hey, it could be a play. Could be a play. Same thing could be said on EDU too, but EDU today's buying point is 2.23. But for GOTU, the actual support right now is at around lower than this point actually. It will be like 2.33 is the actual support. So if it drops under 3.35, it will contest around 3.33 and contest around 3.30. And then 2.9 will probably be the point where some people might start getting it. But I think I liquidated most of it. So let's see if you guys want to do a play. I don't know. It might actually be a good idea to sell a $3.5 call because it dropped down by a lot this morning. I might just do one for just in giggles, I guess. Which then it sort of makes sense, right? And then what's gonna happen is it's sort of like a safety sort of call. If it drops to under 3.3, then actually owning shares will be a good idea. I mean, I'm doing a spread right now, but it is what it is. You don't know about this one. You actually don't know about this one right now. Its actual asset level is around, let's see, 3 times 5, 6.41. Its actual asset level is around about $4, $4 ish. Let's look at EDU. Oh, times 6. .98. Interesting. Stabilization point for this. For those of you who liquidated yesterday, go figure something out to play with, because it might be a danger zone. Like, leave a little bit left over in case it actually pops up in the next, like, in the next 4 days ish. Because Thursdays usually don't perform that well for those stocks. Yeah, what is up with Hood anyways? Bought 86 shares of MMT this morning. Hey, good job. Nalvo. Nah, I'm not getting into you guys' trap where you look at all these tickers. Tesla? I'm gonna go look at it a little bit. Because Elon is doing his thing as usual. Tesla is a day trade option. You see, if I have 200K in my account, I would just day trade Tesla for days. You can make so much money by just making option plays with Tesla. It's an absolutely phenomenal volatility stock that it just does its thing and just does its thing every single day. Elon Musk even talking about AI Day on August 19th. That would be funny though. If there's actually an AI Day, it would be so funny. Alright, buddy. What is going on? If a PE company is trying to take this to $4, it's at 2. I don't get it. Like, do people just don't have the news that it's trying to get it's trying to go to private sector? You can actually look at their privatization plan. Actually, it's on the SEC. The SEC is looking at you. Hey, what's up, Philly? Philly's trying to obey me to look at all his penny stocks. Not again. Falling enough once. Shame on me. Wait, how do you say this thing? Let's see. Fool me once. Yep. Fool me once. Shame on you. Fool me twice. Wait, how do you say this thing? Fool me once. Shame on you. Fool me twice. Wait. The village idiom. Fool me once. Shame on you. Fool me twice. Where's fool me twice? Where is fool me twice? Dang it. Can't find it. Dang it. I need to create my own idiom here. Increase CDE cells. Ooh, this is interesting. Well, I should do some spot trading. That would be an interesting thing. This is also cheap. Jesus Christ, how many cheap stuff are there online? 2.16 is this one's little thing going on. Don't think it's gonna get there though, would it? Wait, let's see. I am curious about this. Lucid's probably gonna have a pullback day today. But that will be leap year options, right? Where's Charles? Charles, here's the thing, okay? Let's be honest here. I know you trust me. Here's the thing, you need to listen to me. First of all, for this stock, HMLP, is he on here? I think he is. Don't forget to smash the like button. Exactly, don't forget to smash the like button. Fool me once, shame on me. Fool me twice, shame on me. Yeah. What about fool me 3 times though? Charles, remember, look at HMLP, okay? And I know you're old enough to be my dad, so I'm not really sure what should I call you. But here's the thing: like, you look at HMLP, set up your stop loss, because I have very high risk tolerance level. If right now, when did we enter yesterday? I think we entered like 6.48 or something like that. If you enter that, that's like almost not really $1. It's like 60 cents. It's like 10% decrease. So if this is your risk tolerance level, you might want to set up a stop loss and just like exit, because you want to cut your losses. For me, I added some. Exactly, fool me 3 times, shame on George. So I added some because I see an upwards upside for this. But right now, if you look at the chart, 5-minute chart, 15-minute chart, it's not at bottom yet. It's not at what we saw. Some stocks when it dropped by 60%, is sort of it will enter a spiral abyss. This one is not end yet, so we might enter too early. We can come back later when there's some action coming up, but I do see at least a 5 or 6% increase for this one at the 6.24 level. So hopefully you can hear me during your Zoom call, but yeah, it's fairly cheap. There are some big boys coming in and just buying like huge orders, and retails are selling right now. Let's look at MMAT. I'll do 10 more minutes of stream, and I gotta go eat something too. And I'll probably come back in the afternoon. I'll probably do a schedules thing, or maybe not, or maybe make some more videos and stuff. MMAT, it's just $3.5 line, dude. It's like right now just a stabilization point about 3.52. And investor place, let's look at that. Didn't they also wrote about AMC? AMC stocks is for fearless investors. Hood stock, what investor are saying about Hood IPO debut? What kind of media is this one? Hey, chicks, dude. Dude, who cares about all these tweets, guys? Okay. They have a lot of ads on their website. Just saying. Doesn't sound like a legit source. 45 minutes. Overvalue metamaterial drop 80% to crash per share value. Can someone report this guy? It's not a SPAC. It is not a SPAC reverse merger, by the way. This guy's talking shit. To put it bluntly, MMAT stock is the kind of highly speculative stock you ought to avoid. The high-tech company develops nano components, okay? But it's not a SPAC merger, guys. SPAC have a price floor, and this is not a SPAC merger. This is a reverse merger. It's different. Mark, please go back. Oh, dude, you're a CFA, dude. Go back and retake your level 2. The problem, blah, 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 too high a price on metamaterial. This is because the company reported that it now have 85 outstanding shares using these figures 3 times. Okay. The company has very little scale to speak of. Over the past year, it made over $1 million in revenue and lost about $55 million. Well, because its burn rate is absolutely ridiculous. Also describes its three products in more detail, however, other than its cash and affiliated with several reluctant brand names, and it doesn't have much in it to ways of aspect. Yeah, because it doesn't have any PR, buddy. How to value metamaterials. Where did you get? If we divide the 160 million it has in bank by what the dude, no, dude, who is this guy? Who is this guy? No wonder, dude. No wonder. CFA overvalued. Lucid stock will be worth nearly 90% more if projection plan out. Avoid. Okay, let's look at his track records. If anything he said is right. BitTorrent has traveled rough seas but could rebound with other altcoins. That's on the 21st. Let's look at BitTorrent. BitTorrent. Seems like this guy really loves penny stock, huh? Let's see what else do you talk about. Now is the time to nab deeply undervalued Alibaba stock on July 20th. Okay, let's look at Alibaba stock on July 20th. Okay. So if you actually got it for July 20th, you lost about, is that 10% mark? Probably more than that. Damn, dude. Can say your predictions are usually wrong. Yeah, dude. Like this guy's dumb, dude. Like I can't talk about dumb things like on stream, but still, like the way how he puts it, like you just straight remember. Have any of you watched Shark Tank? Where sometimes like Shark Tank they come on to Shark Tank with like outrageous evaluations. This one just outrageous on how he sees cash as cash. Oh, he's an entrepreneur too? I've owned his own investment in management and research firm that focus on value stock. Ooh, look at him. Maybe we should listen to him, huh? He lives in Arizona, where enjoys some poker and counting cards. Hey, this guy might be smart. Who knows? Let's look at his profile. Who's gonna straight away look at $160 million over like all the terms? Financial blogger performance. He has a 65.81% success rate. It's better than Kramer. He's been pumping out these things now. Let's look at this. I want to see what early stuff he has. Virgin Galactic. He's right about Dogecoin though. Lipcoin, no, like all the altcoins have its. He thinks NEO is worth more on July 7th. Let's look. July 7th. Oh, it's the dump day, huh? NEO. I don't know if I can say this or not because I actually know someone who works there. It's a complicated situation right now for NEO. And as far as politics goes, I think on the 29th. You know what? That might actually be a good play. I actually don't have NEO anymore. Let's see, do I? I sold it at like 38. I got it like pennies. So 35, 64. What is today's volume is low, so gotta watch out for tomorrow. The entry point isn't there though. Let's look at it. Damn, I got distracted. Interesting take on metamaterials, boys. 7 ratings. He does those things, huh? But the problem is no rational way to value his tech business. All that we are left with is the value of his cash. Not really though. Like if George actually knows how to do PR, this probably will be a really good thing. Huh. Interesting. He also said it's a SPAC. Really? Dude. Please. Go home. Retake your CFA. Yeah, VIX is not gonna recover until like late August. VIX already had its run. Same thing with this too. If you are an SQQQ fan, also it's gonna drop. Also, today is a low volume day, by the way. Drop, 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 blah blah blah. Did someone ask about AMC? I think someone went in and asked about AMC, did it? Or I just tripped. I tripped. I think I tripped. So dumb since they were offered 500 million, so worth at least 500 million. But there's some people saying George is lying though, so not sure about that one because I can't vouch for George's credibility anymore. But yes, if that is true, then it means. But even if it worth 500 million, that means right now the actual price floor for this thing is around. Let's see. Oh. Oh. You are about $2. That will be the actual price for this. Do you mind doing an option demo? Maybe go through the DD chart movement or guidance for beginner to options. Beginners should not trade options. Beginners should not trade options. Beginners should play safe, especially depending on how much you have in your portfolio. You should play safe. You should actually play safe. Do not lose your money. I'm serious. Option is a highly addictive sort of specimen that you might or might not like. It's like a quick way to get cheap, to get money, but also a what is it called? It's a very dangerous way of making money too. Danger zone, danger zone. Oh. All right, let's see it, boys. Let's see it. Let's see it. Pull up. Let's see it. I know you have it in you, boy. I know you have it in you, boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Juicy. Juicy. All right. 10 more minutes. You know what? I'll do an hour stream anyways. Let's do 15 more minutes and I'll hop off and go eat something. Do you guys really want an option sort of thing going on? Because then I have to talk about iron condors and butterfly. Dang it. Inflationary economy. Oh. They're not gonna do a spin-off anymore? What the heck? Whoa, buddy. Whoa, buddy. Alright, all of the speculators are gone now. Pew, 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 pew. Getting absolutely squashed. Getting absolutely squashed. And then you are gonna pull up or go down as people's big orders comes in. Lovely. Ooh. Wait, I'm selling it, didn't I? Yeah, I'm selling this. I'm selling this call at this point. Yeah, fascinating. Oh, pull up! Oh, pull up's gonna start! Oh no! Ah! 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 Very interesting to see as always. I'm just curious about this right now. Like, bruh, really? You gotta read the files, bruh. I would love to know more about options trading. Like, if you're new, like, just paper trade that stuff. It's all about the risk. There's so much risk. For example, right, if you go hack the MMAT option chain, okay, data currently unavailable. Okie dokie, okie dokie. Yeah, still, photo strikes is piling up right now. So you have this thing called theta decay, and you gotta look at the Vega and the you don't really need to look at the gamma because gamma is literally for hedging purposes only. If you let's restart this. It's purely speculative play, right? So if you buy the option for August 20th, 2021, let's just say you buy the $4 options. Today it dropped at 20%. That just means like that a part of that is a state of decay, and a part of that is because the stock price is not really moving rapidly. And if you're trading options, you're trading on three things. One is time value of the money. Two is how you see the stock within that period of time. So basically, in order to be a good option trader, you have to understand the value / price over time in a very compact, condensed sort of way. Okay. So even if, for example, right, even if my price predictions are usually on point, sometimes I cannot grasp the timing. So if you cannot grasp the timing, things gets bad because when you trade options, timing really matters. So if you're a beginner, it's better to use the option as hedging tool rather than actually use it to make money, even though it literally have infinite leverage if you do the math, especially in a very highly volatile thing. But anyways, that would just be a quick spiel. Oh no! That's my investor call. No, I need that. And yeah, that's about it. Sensonics? I don't think we can talk about it. Sensonics, I know someone who works there. MMAT takes 3.82 today. Maybe. It's a probability. It is a probability, as usual. Also, don't let Eddie out. Whoever's in Discord, do not let Eddie out. Especially in those days, do not let Eddie out, okay? Today is a good day. Do not let Eddie out. Just lock him in the closet. Do that. Yeah. If I wasn't streaming or if I wasn't doing anything for MMAT, I probably won't look at it until it hits like $3.82, as you said. Yep, like I said before. So yeah. So you see, this is a 10-cent increase. So then, if you look at the live option chain, where the heck is my option chain? You look at the live option chain. Things gets a little better, but at the same time, because of the theta decay, because theta decay is literally higher than your actual increase in stock value, therefore. Damn, Robinhood sent me another message telling me to buy their stock offerings. Looks like a scam to me, boys. Hello? This internet just killing me right now. This is killing me. You see? Even if you refresh it, when it reaches 3.7, this is not gonna be 20% anymore. There are gonna be people so today there's low volume, right? So if people start pumping this, so if you see this reaches 500, then this number will change. It's a live open. There's a lot of open interest here. So the possible gamma strike on A20 is $4. The best case scenario is this stock stabilizes at 4 and we hit 6. We hit $6, then you will see a like sort of like a half-assed fast gamma hedging on the MM part. But right now, you see the $6 strike getting more and more important, getting more and more popular, you see. But we want to stabilize at 4 first, before or right on the day of August 20th. But you don't want it to be too hyped up before August 20th, because August 20th is when, you know, option exploration happens. Hood is going to $0.01. Gold stocks. I made about 12% on my gold stock that I bought about a month ago, actually. More than that, probably. Gold and silver. I also got some option contracts on gold and silver. I liquidated those. So today, despite MMAT going a dump, and despite Charles is here. Charles, we got talk. Okay, for this, set a stop loss line for this. Okay, even though I think it has an upside, but I don't know how big of a risk tolerant you have. So we entered around 6.4, 6.2. So right now it's about 10% lost for us right now. So for me, I think it has an upside. I think we entered a little bit early. So I'm gonna keep looking at it, but I do have a stop loss line about 5.5. Okay. So sometimes we spot good trades, but when other people don't follow up, it's not really a good trade because stock is literally based on volume. So yeah, you see a lot of people are buying in right now. I think what they think with its fair price is about 6.13 right now. So let's see what happens later. But again, set a stop loss. Even though I usually don't agree with most people setting up stop losses, because a lot of institutional investors should trade on that and sort of profit on that. But as far as you know, how our money's worth, we can always spot good speculative trades, and you know, it's better to have liquidity rather than actually get stuck inside of this trade. As for AEI, I see a pull up. We just don't have volume right now. I see a pull up all the way to around about $2.5. But you will see. I think they're gonna release some data later on, like mid-August. And also today, guys, remember tomorrow is the month end, so you might see a drop tomorrow because people are pulling out their cash tomorrow, or they might pull some cash in because of Powell's meeting yesterday. But you never know yet. Closely watch the VIX tomorrow morning, and we shall see. Vixie boy, VIX is not gonna recover until about late August. No problem. Love you too, Charles. Stop loss is important. Yeah, it's gonna be overall a green day today. I also have some of that, but I think I might sell soon for this one. But yeah. Alright, I think this is it for the stream. I'll schedule one for this afternoon or tomorrow morning. Seems like a lot of you don't see updates for streaming. So I'll go do something about it. So then most of you will know when I stream in the morning and everything. Alright, see you guys on the upside at this point.